This is Luxin Electrical and Electronics Company. For your conduit and surface wiring, you can contact us on 080 327 14721. We are your shop plug. When it comes to electrical and electronics appliances such as flat screen, LCD screens, LED screens, and different type of wiring, you can always count on us. Now, when it comes to wiring your school, different type of building, if it's a church, you can always contact us. We deal in different type of electrical and electronics appliances, and we are also into house wiring. Thank you.